there. So once a month, me and my sister-in-law, we decide that we're going to do a food challenge. And for this month, she got to choose, and she chose fried chicken. So I'm vegan, and the rest of my family is vegetarian. So I have to figure out a way to make delicious fried chicken vegan that's going to stand up to her fried chicken meat. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to add 3 cups of this Vital wheat gluten to a bowl. I added a little bit extra because my cups weren't full. Probably should not be wearing all black for this. Then I'm going to add 3 packets of the rapid or like fast acting yeast. The rapid rise yeast. Okay, and now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup, probably like 3 times, but I'm going to eyeball it to make sure that I'm not adding too much liquid. Yep, it was less than that, so. I'm just gonna knead it like a little bit with my hands to make sure the liquid got into all these crevices. Very strange texture. It actually feels really awesome, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so you just want it to form like a dough. Make sure it's well incorporated. And you probably should season it like I forgot to do. So I don't think I'm really going to be able to incorporate the seasoning now, but I am going to add some pre-chopped garlic. I should be able to get that in there nicely. Now you want to get a towel, warm and wet. Bring it out. Place it over your bowl. Then we're going to let that proof for about 30 minutes. And by the way, this is a very large batch because I have at least 11 people that I'm cooking for. So I would recommend, like family of 4, you could probably just do the 1 cup of Vital wheat gluten and the 3/4 cup of water and a packet of dry rapid rise active yeast. Oh my goodness. Me, sophisticated. Wow. Now I'm going to lift this up to see how it is. That's a lot. That's good though. That should be a good amount for like 11 people. I have this box of spinach and garlic crackers that I am going to crumble up to add to my flour, just for some extra flavor. you know, this is a battle. Anything I can do to improve my chances of a bunch of carnivores liking my vegan chicken. I gotta take all the steps. Okay, in this I have some boiling water with some seasonings. And now I'm just going to take this and just pull off a piece. Just kind of like form it into a shape. Flatten it like a little bit, but not too much. And then drop it. I'm just gonna keep doing that with all these and try to make sure I make about 11 pieces. Okay, you just let these boil for about 2 minutes per side, flip them, 2 minutes the other side. And yeah, it looks not the best right now, but it'll look better. I'm gonna test to make sure the oil is ready. And it is not. So I'm just gonna take it from the hot water, throw it right into the breading. And then right into the oil. Those first pieces I did were too big. I would suggest going with pieces more like this size, like a strip. Yeah, those breast size pieces were turning out way too big. I had to cut those in half, and I'm gonna have to refry those because they were too big to turn out right. Delish.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Mom, Carl,
Where's mine?
That's good.
Did you see on Monday Night Raw when that girl got her ass smacked by the little kid? When Nia Jackson was picking her up and taking her out? In the video. Just slap my ass. Yeah.
What is it?
it's wheat gluten and yeast and a couple other things.
What makes it like the chicken?
And that one lady, and they have 2 kids. And they have a crazy grandma, like
No, I told Marissa that her birthday week will be.
yeah,
What'd you just say?
Kayla, I really liked your food. Your chicken reminded me of your breaded mushrooms.
Oh, cool. Sounds good. I think the vegan chicken definitely was a hit.